Alright, nice one, guys. So basically, sorry about the long, I must say to you, we're really sorry about the long waiting of this video. But anyway, we want to start the video because some issue, we need to sort out this issue first, alright? So basically, what we're going to do, we want to make a healthy green smoothie, you know what I mean? A proper healthy green smoothie. When we're talking about a proper healthy green smoothie recipe where you guys can make at home in your kitchen, alright? Now, the thing is, a lot of people doesn't know that spinach, ginger, lemon, and a lot of stuff is very good and healthy to make healthy green smoothie at home, alright? Now, I've been doing healthy recipe over the last almost 4 or 5 years now. We've been doing a lot of healthy recipes and a lot of healthy weight loss recipe from all over the world we can ever think of. Alright, how to lose weight, how to put on weight, and how to detox your body, and also how to gain weight. Alright, there's a lot of video and a lot of people been asking about how to gain weight is on the YouTube channel. Alright guys, so basically we're really sorry to start the video so late. We was just starting out a little bit of issue. Some happened before with the team, alright? But we try to sort that out. Yeah, as I said, we've been doing a lot of weight loss recipe over the last five years now, telling people how to lose weight, detoxing and cleansing your body at home with natural ingredients. If you look in my video, down in the video description box, there's thousands of video there telling you how to cleanse your body, lose weight, and also detoxing your body at home with natural ingredients. We've been preaching it over the last 5 years and we're still preaching it today. Now, the thing is, a lot of people doesn't like to eat meat. Okay? And if you doesn't like to eat meat and you want to get yourself some protein, this is what you need to do right here. Get yourself all of these right here. Alright? And now I'm gonna introduce you to some almond butter, which is natural, 100% natural almond butter. All right, that's very good for you. And also we got peanut butter, which is also protein, which is very good to go into your smoothie, which you're going to make at home. All right, so we're going to be showing you exactly how to make this healthy green smoothie, and honestly guys, you will love it. It's going to be an amazing and fantastic, and honestly, you guys will love it 100%. You definitely will love this one. So first of all, what we're going to do, I'm going to dig into this healthy, and not only that, with the green smoothie, to be honest, it is very good for you guys to also make it at home and drink it. You can drink it for lunch, or you know what I mean, like an evening snack or something like that. All right, but to be honest, I know you guys definitely going to love this one. It's going to be a very simple one. So first thing, what we're going to do, all right, I got some pineapple right here. I'm going to put some pineapple into my blender. All right, and also, I think this camera is a little bit blurry. Something is not going on right there. I think the camera is a little bit blurry for a team. All right, it's a team working, but yeah, but sorry about that, guys. It may a little bit blurry. I don't know why. But hopefully we can get that resolved very quickly and soon. Alright, some technical problem issue right here at the moment, guys. So, really sorry about that. Yeah, so what we're going to do, otherwise, we will continue with the video and we will make you guys can see exactly. So right here we got some celery. Alright. So we got celery. And as I said, we've been preaching this for a very long time, and you know what I mean, as I said, this is just a very healthy one for you to do at home. We got one celery stick which you're going to put it straight inside of it, just like this, and this will be a very healthy one. Now, also we got some spinach which you're going to also put inside of it. Alright, now, the thing is, what I want to say to you, it is simple and natural one to make at home. All right, so what we're going to do, we got pineapple, we got celery, and we got some spinach inside of it. All right, beautiful. Now we're going to get a apple, right here. And then we're going to put the apple straight inside of it, just like this. Lovely. All right. This is just an amazing one, guys. I want you guys to try this one at home. And honestly, if you try it at home, guys, please come back and write it in the description box and tell me exactly what do you think. All right. I think this video is a little bit blurry, as the team is saying to me at the moment, but we're sorry about that one. But as I said, we will sort out something very soon. We got some ginger, which we're going to put in it. Ginger is very good for you. We're going to be using some lemon. All right. I did a video like this about 3 weeks ago, talking about, you know what I mean, how to cleanse your body and all them things with natural green stuff at home. All right. And how you can freeze your celery and your spinach and thing at home. All right. Now, cut it off and we're going to put it straight inside of the blender. Just like that. All right. As you can see. Now, the thing is, to be honest with you guys, all right, I'm going to simply show you exactly what you can also do in the meantime. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we just get a little bit of water. We're not going to be using a lot of water. We're just going to use a little bit of water into the blender. All right. Now the thing is, because it's a small blender, what we want to do, we want to blend it first. All right. And get some of this. All right. Now, once you blend it, all right. Listen, guys, this recipe is a very, very an amazing recipe right here. Now we're going to get a tablespoon of pumpkin seed, because this is going to bring in the protein for you. All right, pumpkin seed. All right, and we're going to get 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Very good for you in weight loss. All right, if you never used it before, I encourage you guys to do this one. Now, this is what I'm talking about. The mixed nuts is very, very good for protein. If you need protein, this is what you need to do. If you don't want to eat meat and all them things, like me now, I don't like the meat thing. All right, so you need protein in your body. So you try and get a mixed nuts like this. 1, 2, put a 2 tablespoons in it. All right. Secondly, you can get yourself a nice lovely finger of ripe banana. All right. I'm putting it. Ripe banana is also very good for protein also. All right. Now, once you do that, we're going to blend up this for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Don't use any sugar or honey inside of it. All right. Lovely. So once I blend it down like this, what you're going to do is I'm going to be using, this is some smoothie almond butter that is going to give you an extra 100% protein into it. So you want to put that straight inside of it like this. Wow, I like this, man. Wow, nice. Now, we're going to blend this. So that look thick and nice. Yeah. All right. Now, what we're going to do is take a look at it. All right. It's a smoothie. Tastes lovely. All right. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. That's what you want to have. Just like that. And not only that, you got a lot of protein inside of it. So I'm going to taste it now, guys. Oh my God. This is delicious. So basically, if your body need protein, this come in really, really handy for you, all right? It is amazing. Lovely and nice. Oh, and also you can taste that beautiful almond in it. It's fantastic, guys. The almond is amazing. Also you can taste that almond butter. It's really nice in it. Pumpkin seed, and also you got that beautiful chai seeds in it. All right, it's a beautiful one, guys. Look at it. Amazing. And this is really, really healthy and good for your. Cheers. It's amazing. I love it. Oh my God. Now, the thing is, if you're a person who are interested in weight loss, and you know what I mean, you know, so the first part of the year, when you touch this time of year, you know what I mean, a lot of people like to make sure them eat healthy and all these things. This is coming handy for you. Nice one. It's amazing. It is amazing. It is amazing, guys. Honestly, the only problem I have at the moment, because of this camera, is very low in the quality, so I don't know what's going on. But otherwise, I want to say, guys, we have to switch it around, because thank you so much. We're gonna be coming with something different. Very healthy and delicious. All right, 100%. I'm telling you, it is amazing and fantastic, guys. I want you to try this one, and honestly, you will definitely love this one, guys.